My name is Manu Chikiai. I'm a dental surgeon and I run a private dental clinic in Stockholm. I've been using FenderMate D-Coat pretty much from the start. Previous to that, I was using the original FenderMate system. And when the D-Coat came out, I started to using it right away. The fact that it's a one-piece system makes it much easier to use. You don't need a separate wedge or a ring or a clamp on it. You can use it just as it is. When you use FenderMate D-Coat, it's a good thing to pre-wedge the tooth so that you separate the tooth from the adjacent tooth. That makes it much easier to slide the matrix into place later on. And also, when you place the FenderMate D-Coat, you should angle it slightly downwards towards the papilla. That makes it much easier to pass the contact point. And once you've passed the contact point, you can angle it upwards again to slide it into place. The only time I use a different matrix system than FenderMate D-Coat is when it's a very large cavity. The FenderMate D-Coat is a sectional matrix and it's not made for large cavities. Other than that, in medium or small size cavities, it's a perfect choice.